Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Good. So let's start our class. Today I am going to explain you exercise 6.2. This is also very simple exercise. So are you ready for that? Good. So the very first question is solve the following inequalities graphically in 2D plane. 2D plane means two-dimensional plane. So here some inequalities are given and we have to solve these inequalities graphically. Means we have to prepare the graph of the given inequality. Clear? There are lots of parts in this. I will explain 2 or 3 parts and the remaining parts we have to solve at home. Clear? So the very first question, first part is given inequality is x plus y is smaller than 5. So student, what we will have to do? We know how to plot the graph of a linear equation, but we don't know how to plot the graph for linear inequality. Am I right? So what we can do? Firstly, we will have to draw the graph of a linear equation. Means we will convert this inequality as a linear equation. Clear? So how? We will have to write here. We will draw a graph of a linear equation x plus y. How can it convert in a linear equation? If we will remove this inequality sign, we will replace this sign by equal. Am I right? So what we will do? We will convert this inequality in a linear equation. So we will draw a graph of a linear equation x plus y equals to 5. Means हम ये वाला sign हटाकर equal लगा देंगे. Clear? Now how can we plot the graph? So we need some points now. So I will find some points. This is x and this is y. So if I am taking x as 0, but if I will put x 0 here, then 0 plus y equals to 5, then the value of y will be 5. Simple. Same as the 9th and 10th class. Now if I am taking y 0, if I will put y 0 here, then x plus 0 equal to 5, then the value of x is 5. So the required points are 0, 5 and 5, 0. So we will plot these points on graph. Now we will plot which point? 0, 5 and 5, 0 on a graph. Clear? Now we will plot a graph here. These are two coordinate axes, x-axis, y-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The very first point is x0, y5. x0, y5, this point will lie on y-axis. You know that now? If abscissa is 0, then the point will lie on y-axis. So this point is 0, 5. Now second point is 5, 0. Here ordinate is 0. So this point will lie on x-axis. So where it will lie? This is the point 5, 0. Now we will join these 2 points with the help of scale. Now pay more attention here. Now we will check this sign. This is smaller than. If there is no equal sign, if there is smaller than or greater than sign, then we will draw the dotted line. Or if there is smaller than equals to and greater than equals to sign, then we will draw a regular line. This point you will have to keep in your mind whenever you will plot the graph for linear inequation. Then you have to remember this point in your mind. If the sign of inequality is only less than or greater than, then we will join these points by dotted line. Or if there is greater than equals to or smaller than equals to signs are there, then we will join these points by regular line. Hope it is clear. Okay, so which sign is here? Only less than, no equal sign. Then we will join these 2 points with the help of scale by dotted line. So we will join them by dotted lines. Like this. Clear? If smaller than greater than sign is there, then we will join the given points by dotted line. If equal sign is also there, then we will join by regular line. Now see. Now we will have to shade the region. This line divides the whole Cartesian plane into 2 parts. One part is on the left side of the line, second part is on right side of the line. Clear? So we have to shade the required region. So which region we have to shade? So now see. Now we will put any point. We will put any point in given inequality. But in general, I am taking 0, 0. Means the coordinates of origin I am taking only. So we will put 0, 0 in given inequality. In given equality. Clear? So beta, given inequality is x plus y is smaller than 5. We will have to put 0, 0 in this equation. So you all know that first value is represented as x or second value is represented as y. So in place of x we will put 0. In place of y again we will put 0. So what we will get? 0 plus 0 is smaller than 5. Now tell me, 0 plus 0 is how much? That is 0 is smaller than 5. Now tell me, 0 is smaller than 5. This condition is true or false? 0 is smaller than 5. This condition is true or false? Obviously 0 is smaller than 5. So this condition is true. So you have to write it is true. Got it? Now listen very carefully. If this condition is true, then we will shade the region towards this point. 0, 0 is there ना? So condition तो true आ गई हमारी. अब इस लाइन के इधर वाला रीजन शेड करना है या इधर वाला रीजन शेड करना है. It depends on this statement. Here it is true. अगर true है तो 0, 0 की तरफ वाला रीजन शेड करेंगे. तो 0, 0 कहाँ है? यहाँ पर. तो इसकी तरफ का रीजन शेड करेंगे. Suppose that if this condition is false, then we will shade the region away from origin. Understood? So we will shade this region. And after shading this, our question is completed. Our answer is completed. Clear? So only we will have to plot the graph and shade the required region. Hope it is clear. If it is not clear, then don't worry. I will explain the next question also. Clear? So till that time, pause the video and note it fast. Okay student, now I am explaining the third question. Solve the following inequalities graphically in 2D plane. Same. Inequalities is given 3x plus 2y is smaller than equals to 12. So firstly, we will convert this inequality into a linear equation. So you have to write, we will draw a graph for a linear equation (3x plus 2y equals to 12). This sign is converted into equal sign. Now we will have to plot the points, find the points x and y. If we put x 0, so this will be 0, then 2y equals to 12. Then y equals to how much? 6. Now if we put y 0, then this whole value will be 0. Then we will get 3x equal to 12. Then x equal to how much? 4. Now we will plot which point? 0, 6 and 4, 0 on graph. Now we will plot these 2 points 0, 6 and 4, 0 on a graph. So we will plot a graph that is x-axis, y-axis, origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The very first point is 0, 6. It will lie on y-axis. So this is a point 0, 6. Second point is 4, 0. It will lie on x-axis. So this point is 4, 0. Now we will join these 2 points. Now question is with dotted line or with regular line. So I told you we will see this sign. This is smaller than equals to. So here equals to is present. Then we will join these 2 points by regular line. Regular line means like this. Clear? Okay. Now this line divides the whole Cartesian plane into 2 parts. One is below the line, another is above the line. Clear? Now which part we have to shade? So it depends on that condition. The condition is true or false. So what we will do now? We will have to take the coordinates of origin. Now putting 0, 0 in given inequality. Inequality is given 3x plus 2y. So beta 3 into x is 0 plus 2 into y is 0 is smaller than or equals to 12. Beta 3 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0 is smaller than 12. 0 plus 0 is what? 0 is smaller than 12. So 0 is smaller than 12. This condition is true or false? Obviously it is true. So you have to write it is true. Or if it is true, then we will shade the region towards the origin. Clear? So which region we have to shade? Towards the origin. This is the shaded region, and here this answer is completed. Now it is clear? Okay, very good. So pause the video and note it fast. Okay students, now I am taking the last question of this exercise, that is 10th question. Given inequality is x is greater than -3. Only one variable is present. Second variable is not present here. So what we will do? Process will remain same as the previous question. See here. We will draw the graph for a linear equation. Which linear equation? X is greater than or equals to -3. So it is x equal to -3. X equals to -3. But beta y is not present here. So what we will do? X equal to -3. So see, if y is not here, so if x is 0, if I will put x 0, then y is 0 or not? Y is obviously 0 because y is not present here. Got it? Okay. Do one thing. What you can do here? अभी ऐसे समझ नहीं आएगा, आप ऐसा कर लीजिए, x equal to -3 लिखा, but y is not present here. So what we can do? X plus y is not present, so we can write 0 into y or not? We can do this, na? Equal to what? -3. Hope it is clear? Good. If this variable is not present, then we can write it 0 into y, because 0 into y gives you 0. So it will be vanish. So see, now here we will put the values of y. If I am putting y equals to 1, तो अगर मैंने y की जगह 1 लगाया तो x प्लस 0 इंटू 1 क्या हुआ 0, तो x प्लस 0 इज x इक्वल टू -3. द वैल्यू ऑफ x विल बी -3. और इफ आई एम टेकिंग y इक्वल्स टू 2, then 0 into 2 is 0 and x plus 0 is x, so x is equal to what? -3. क्लियर? तो बेटा यहां पर y की कोई भी वैल्यू लगा दो, x की वैल्यू कितनी आनी है -3, बिकॉज y इज 0 into y. तो y की कोई भी वैल्यू होगी 0 से मल्टीप्लाई कराओगे 0 ही आएगा, तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आनी है -3. क्लियर? So here there are 2 points. We will plot. First point is -3, 1 and second point is -3, 2. Clear? Any confusion? Okay, now we will plot the graph. These are the coordinate axes, x-axis, y-axis, and this is origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, and so on. Why I am taking minus? Because one point is minus. Clear? Now see, very first point is x minus 3 and y1. X minus 3 and y1. So beta x minus 3 and y1 will be present here because y1 or x minus 3. Clear? Similarly, x minus 3 and y2. X minus 3 and y2. This point will lie here because this is y2 and x minus 3. So this point is x minus 3 and 1 and this point is x minus 3 and 2. Clear? Now we will join these 2 points with a regular line or dotted line. It depends on this sign. This sign is only greater than, no equal sign is here. So by the dotted line we will join these 2 points. Understood? Clear? Okay. So we will join these 2 points by dotted lines. Like this. Clear? Now beta, this line divides the whole Cartesian plane into 2 parts. One is left side of the line or second is right side of the line. So which region we will have to shade? So again we will have to put 0, 0 in given inequality. So x is 0 and y is 0. Y is already 0 here. So in place of x I will put 0 is greater than -3. 0 is greater than -3. This condition is true or false? Obviously true. 0 is always greater than -3. So you have to write here it is true. Or if this condition is true, then we will have to shade the region towards the origin. Origin की तरफ वाला region. So we will shade this portion. We will shade it. You can understood? Okay. So pause the video and note it down. Okay, students. Now the remaining sums you can solve at home because the procedure for solving all the sums is same as this only. So I hope you will try all these sums at home and you will send me the pictures of your homework by 6 PM today. Clear? Now I am going to wind up this video. We will meet again in the next video with new exercise. Till that time, stay at home, be safe and thank you.